All.
A, L, L.
I ate all the apples. Am. A. M. I am a girl.
R, A, R, E.
We are happy. At.
A, T.
I am at home. 8.
A, T, E.
I ate the whole pizza. B.
B, E.
Stay at home and be safe. Black.
B, L, A.
C. K. This shirt is black. Brown.
B, R, O, W, N.
The chair is brown. But.
B, U, T.
I like carrots, but not cucumber. Came. C.
A, M, E.
I came to school in the morning. Did.
D, I, D.
He did a good job. Do.
D, O.
I will do my best. Eat.
E, A, T.
I will eat all green vegetables. 4.
F, O, U, R.
He has 4 storybooks. Get.
G, E, T.
I will get ice cream for you today. Good.
G, O, O, D.
You are a good girl. Have.
H, A, V, E.
I have 4 pencils. He.
H, E.
He is a good boy. Into.
I, N, T, O.
We all got into the car. Like.
L, I,
K.
E.
I like chocolate cookies. Must.
M, U, S, T.
We must eat vegetables to grow big. New.
N, E, W.
This is my new school bag. No.
N, O.
There is no water in the tap. Now.
N, O, W.
He wants his toy right now. On.
O, N.
The frog sits on the lily pad. Our.
O, U, R.
This is our school. Out.
O, U, T.
We go out to play. Please.
P, L, E, A, S, E.
May I please have some more? Pretty.
P, R, E, T, T, Y.
My sister has pretty hair. Ran.
R, A, N.
I ran to the park. Ride.
R, I, D, E.
I like to ride my bike. Saw.
S, A, W.
He saw his father in the car. Say.
S, A, Y.
I say stop. She.
S, H, E.
She has a small cat. So.
S-O.
This ice cream is so yummy.
Soon. S-O-O-N.
We will eat lunch soon.
That. T-H-A-T.
That is my bicycle.
There. T-H-E-R-E.
There is one table in my room.
They. T-H-E-Y.
They had a pet dog.
This. T-H-I-S.
This is a car.
2. T-O-O.
This truck is too big.
Under. U-N-D-E-R.
A cat is under the table.
Want. W-A-N-T.
I want to eat ice cream today.
Was. W-A-S.
My pen was on the table.
Well. W-E-L-L.
She does not feel well.
Went. W-E-N-T.
I went to school last year.
What? W-H-A-T.
What do you see?
Wide. W-H-I-T-E.
The dog is white.
Who? W-H-O.
Who is at the door?
Will. W-I-L-L.
I will go to school next year.
With. W-I-T-H.
I will go to school with my brother.
Yes. Y-E-S.
The answer is yes.
Thank you. For more videos subscribe on Kids Circle.